I felt like we came out with a lot of energy and playing pretty well. We knew that we weren't going to have the crowd support as much as our opponents were, so we tried to take a little bit of control of the match early, but then they did a good job to try steady the match early in that first set. But I thought we stayed composed and played a pretty solid match overall. So,
yeah, just like Kody said, I think we came out returning really well from the beginning. We put a lot of pressure on their serves. Didn't really give them much chances at the beginning. Lost focus a little bit for a game where we got broken, but other than that, I thought we were in control most part of the match. And yeah, lots of energy, good execution when we needed to, and just happy to be able to win my first title with him here.
Successful week, I think, for first timers, me and Steven. Yeah, I think that we had tough opponents coming up leading up to the final, and obviously in the final we didn't get the break that we wanted, but we didn't really play to the greatest ability. But you know what I mean, you can't take it away from those guys. Those guys played excellent, like how they did the whole week, and you know what I mean, just another week now to prepare for, and just hopefully I could get some more results.
I think it was pretty solid for the most part. It just came down to a few moments where we could have taken the advantage, but we didn't, and that's really what made the match. At the end of the day, we got to make those moments and we got to capitalize on them. So.